everyone, this is Purse Junkie. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you my latest handbag purchase. I've been on the hunt for this item for so many years, well, more like 3 to 4 years. I have been wanting for my perfect combination, but for some reason it's just so hard to get. They're hard to come by, and once they come, or they're available at the boutique, they're always on the wait list, and there's so many people on the wait list, so it's just so hard to find. So this item was purchased from Hirschleifers. It's like a boutique in New York City or somewhere in New York. But anyway, I have like a mailing list that they always send me. So when I found that they have this item on their stock, I immediately grabbed it. They only have one, or they only had one left, so I made sure that I purchased it, because once it's gone, and you're gonna have to wait a long time again for them to release another one. But anyway, so the good thing about ordering from Hirschleifer is that they don't tax you, because they are, based in New York and I'm from California. So if you have to purchase a large amount of handbag, or if it's expensive, then you save a lot of money when it comes to tax. So to make it easier, I've already opened the box, and it came with the bubble wrap, and this is their invoice. So I asked for a receipt, but they told me that they don't put receipt in the box. So what I got was a invoice from the mail, and here it is. And I am so happy that this item came in a newer box now, which is the magnetic flap. Like 2 to 3 years ago, when I purchased from their company, they don't have this kind of box yet, and they've only reserved this for like the classic flaps. So I guess it's gonna give you a hint. And now that they also come in the camellia with the Chanel ribbon, I guess they do this for all the classic flaps. So here you go. I'll put that there. And this item is, sorry, I got cut off. Someone is trying to call me. Anyway, it came wrapped with the tissue. And wrapped with, I don't know what you call this kind of wrap. The item is the mini Chanel flap. This is the mini rectangular in the dark gray caviar, or more like a calfskin leather. So that's what the SKU card says. It says dark gray, and that's the price. And this one still has the sticker on. So that's what it looks like. So it's almost looked like a black color as well. So this is very neutral, and it has a light gold hardware, which is looking like a silver too, like just by looking at it. It's not like a shiny or a shiny gold. It's a very light gold. Came with the felt. And the leather smells so good on this one. There you go. That's what it looks like. There you go. It's so pretty. And this one, this is the authenticity card that's still wrapped with the tissue. And this one is made in France. So it says there, I don't think you can see that. So that's it, you guys, and I'm so happy to get this item. So what happened was I've contacted them and they're able to get this item in overnight, so I had to pay $50 for the overnight fee. And guess what happened? When I contacted my SA in Chanel Boutique a couple of days later, she told me at that time that the waiting list for the combination that I wanted had like over 100 people waiting. So I asked her what number am I on the list, but she couldn't tell me because she said that the list is somewhere, or their manager had the list and they don't have access to that. So yesterday, like 3 days or a day after I purchased this from Hirschleifer, I got a call from the Chanel Boutique saying that they have the bag that I wanted, that I've put on my name over a year ago. And I was so shocked because I did not expect that they will call me right away. So I guess my SA had something to do with it, because she probably you know, I don't know if she bumped me up the list or she just remembered and happened to save the bag for me when they had a shipment the other day. But nonetheless, I said yes, and guess what? I picked it up. And so I will show you the unboxing for this one on my next video, and I can't wait to compare the two to see the difference between the color. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.